Hello everyone, welcome to IoT Frontier. My name is Hariharnath. In this video, we'll look into a step-by-step guide on how to install a full Home Assistant operating system on a Windows system using VirtualBox virtual machine. So stay tuned until the end of this video. Without further delay, let's get started. So first, what we need to do is we need to go to the Home Assistant page. I'll provide you the link in the description. So it is talking about how to install Home Assistant operating system. So here we need to download the appropriate image. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you VirtualBox, that is VDI. Using VDI, we are going to install the Home Assistant operating system. So you can click on download. You need to also download VirtualBox. So go to VirtualBox downloads and click on this Windows host if you are using Windows. So click on this, so you will be able to download the VirtualBox. So now what I'll do is I have already downloaded. So I'll simply click on VirtualBox, that is downloaded, and we just have to click on next. Now once we have done that, click on this, the checkbox, and then click on finish. Now the VirtualBox is opened. After the installation of VirtualBox, you need to extract the zip that you have downloaded, which contains the VDI file. So once you have extracted, it will look like this. Next, go to the VirtualBox. Here you need to click on new, and here you can give Home Assistant OS as the name, and you don't have to select any ISO image, but the type you need to select Linux, and subtype you can keep it other Linux and 64-bit. Click on hardware. So here the minimum you need to give the memory is 2 GB. Here I'll try to provide it 4 GB, and virtual CPU you need to provide minimum 2 virtual CPUs, and the most important thing is you need to enable EFI. Click on that, and then it will be asking, the next thing is hard disk. So in the hard disk you need to use an existing virtual hard disk file. So first you need to browse, click on add. So wherever you have downloaded the VDI file, select that and click on open. Now again choose this. So it has taken the path. We can click on finish. Once this is done, you need to select the settings, and in the settings go to the network, and we need to attach it to the bridged adapter. So this is important, and once that is done, you can also go to audio. If it is having any audio controller, then you can use Intel HD audio and click on OK. So after this, you can click on start. Now you can see the Home Assistant boot process. So here you can see the IPv4 as well as the URL. So it is saying homeassistant.local:8123. So I need to type homeassistant.local:8123, and it will take nearly 20 minutes as per this. So I'll fast forward this. So now you can see the welcome page has been shown. We can click on create my new smart home and give the names. So it will select nearest to my location based on the internet, and click on next, and I'll not select anything. Click on next and finish. Now we can see the Home Assistant is ready. So this is how you can install Home Assistant operating system on Windows using VirtualBox. That's all for today's video. I hope this video has been informative. If yes, please type helpful in the comment section below. Your support means a lot to us and helps us keep creating more content like this. So please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in another interesting video.